So, welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss five stocks on the basis of charts, and they are Nazara, Mahindra and Mahindra, Havells, IGL, Ongc. So, these are some stock alerts which can guide us for buying levels as well as for booking profits or for targets. Let us check them. First of all, it's Nazara. Let me clarify how buying levels and targets are set. See, the stocks which we are talking about, any stock, maybe Nazara or Mahindra and Mahindra, we already know their fundamentals and their long-term behaviors. Considering their long-term fundamentals, their behavior and their industry, stock behave in a particular pattern. Some stocks fall more due to their past behavior. Some stocks rally very well whenever there's a good market due to their long term behavior or their industry's growth. So, the targets and buying levels which we are going to discuss depend on their industry as well as their own behavior. So here is Nazara. Now Nazara has just got listed. This is among the first company to get listed from your gaming zone. You can say that Delta is from gaming industry, but Delta small portion is from gaming, right? So Nazara is a single listed company right now, an Indian market from gaming, and they have even posted profits, right? Now the profits we need consistent. Yes, currently considering their profitability, we have been expecting their target of 3186. As you can see in the charts, the target of 3186 has already been cleared, and we saw some profit booking from that level. Those people desiring to buy Nazara should buy during this range. Buying range, you should start near 1906. So, what's my buying level? It's 1906, where I need to get alert. I will expect the stock to move in the range of 1900 to 3200, right? Till what time? Till next result come. Now, for example, next results are flat. What I will expect? I will expect the range of 1900 to 3200. If next result shows the good growth along with their better profitability, what will happen? Stock will move out from the range of 1900 to 3200, and it can even expand in the another range. So till that time, what I will expect? 1900 to 3200. Do not buy near 3200, buy only during lower levels. I have even given the range of 1266. Now it's not necessary that your stock could come, right? What can make drag Nazara towards even 1266? See, just last quarter they have entered into the profit making company. Now the profit margin should be low. Don't expect right now immediately that profits are going to come every quarter. For example, if something go wrong, you can even see your range 1266. So the levels should be prepared from the beginning. Whenever you are buying any stocks, before you buy, you should know what should be the target, what should be the buying level, so that you can plan accordingly in any type of circumstances, in good or bad, right? So here, let me move to next stock, and that's Mahindra and Mahindra. So the same pattern you will see whether you will look Mahindra and Mahindra. You saw a good recovery, but mind it, this is recovery. This is not rally. Nifty is in rally mode. Nifty post COVID fell like anything, and then you saw a very good rally even from the lifetime high of 12,000. Currently we are near almost 100% upside we are going to see, right? So that's a rally in the case of Mahindra and Mahindra, in the case of Tata Motor, in the case of Ashok Leyland. Majority of auto stocks are in recovery mode, so we are expecting the recovery. See, since last 5 years your auto sector was in correction mode. As economy is opening, we are expecting the sales to be grown in all this recovered company like Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motor. In the case of Mahindra and Mahindra, we can expect Mahindra and Mahindra to again reach towards their lifetime high. So what are the levels? We can buy near 600 during any fall and should book some profits near 950. See, Mahindra and Mahindra has given very good return during last 2 decades. It's a very good company, right? But yes, still lifetime profit is missing. So what we can do, we can book 5-10% profits near 950. As economy will open, these all companies are even going to show us the new lifetime high. But right now we will have to wait for all these companies like M&M, Maruti, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, right? So yes, can book 5 to 10% in all these companies near their previous lifetime high. So here's the third one, IGL, Indraprasth Gas Limited. Right? So now when we are talking about IGL, think same for MGL, think same for GAIL. These all companies are interconnected. We can buy during any fall near 425, right? 424 I have written, just it's a round figure, 425 should be your buying level. And the target next year should be 655. So what's my range? As per current earnings, 425 to 655 is the range. If current results are not favorable, we may see a fall toward 425. No need to worry, we can add more. This is the consistently profit giving company. You are getting consistent dividends every year, consistent profits are there. Why we should worry, right? So I will expect target of 655, right? Same thing, you can plan the same way in MGL or GAIL also, right? These all companies, retired people can stay with these companies. These are consistent profit making companies. These are not only value companies, these are even growth combined with value companies, right? Here is your ONGC. Now here, this is not a company with growth. This is only value company making profits consistently every year, but that's no growth. And that is the reason this is a long period we have not seen rally. This is just recovery like Tata Motor, Mahindra and Mahindra and many others. So the current recovery could be seen toward 285 also, but it could take time, 2-3 years also. If you are holding, you can book some profits near 285 in next 2-3 years. Don't worry, even for 2 to 3 years, you are going to get dividends also every year. But don't expect huge growth in this type of companies, right? What you can do if you are holding, you can add some more, because when you are adding at lower level, your dividend yield gets increased. But I will not recommend this type of companies which are only value but no growth for new investors, right? Here is your fifth one, Havells. Now, this is the full combination of quality, value, and growth company. Wonderful growth. We have already seen 2,200 times rally in Havells along with consistent dividends. So, mind boggling growth. What we can do, see, just few months back, we were just adding near 500 and we were thinking kab chalega ye share, and now it's in the rally mode, right? Buy during any falling opportunity near 1400. Now I have written 1400, you might or you might not get the opportunity. So if you will not get the buying opportunity, well, it will rally towards, it should rally towards 200 in next 2 years. No need to book early profits here. Wait till 2000. At 2000, you can book some 5% profit, which you have already bought near 500. And many of our investors are even holding since 100, 200. Right? So, company is growing, company is converting its sales into profit. Why should we worry? Just add during any fall. Even between your current price and 2000, we may see some correction. Add during those corrections, right? This is a multi-year rally stock, all right? So this was about your five stocks. Rule of the game is simple: buy when nobody is interested. When everyone are talking negative, you should come out of your house and you should buy. Now when stocks are in rally mode, enjoy the rally, right, friends? So disclosure, let me tell you, do not buy because we say we may or we may know to have the position in about discussed stock. For example, we are not having IGL, right? We are having GAIL because GAIL since a long time we were holding. So now no need to go from here to there. We are not holding ONGC, which we have already discussed here. Even we are not holding Nazara, right? It's emerging and we are just tracking the company. If profits could be consistent, we may add in future. All right. Yes, Havells is a stock which we are holding since long time, but don't buy because we are saying buy after thorough research, right? So always with you from profit from it. These all the levels were given from your 80% potential seeds. Thank you very much and Jai Hind to everybody.